Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold, and Alkaline continues to surprise everyone, adding two more new young artists. We got Tamo J. Now you're like, who's Tamo J? Some of you probably know who he is, so let's listen to some tracks.
I'm in my suit right now. We came to fuck up this party. Let's start it be outside. Great British punch right now. I'm a London boy with a yard man. You can't run when the fire start burn. Babylon your system falling down. We a chat, freedom must come.
All right. Sounds good. Way to go, Tamo J. Looking forward to see your performance. And then we have another one, Zyanigh. Zyanigh is also another up-and-coming artist that is talented as well. So let's listen to some of his tracks. Get to know him.
Chip got sing like my father. Anyway, made up to find them and kill them and teleport. Them coulda. Yeah, where you get your bumper? And we're on number. I know that you want a dungeon. Are you every man now?
Oh yeah, he's talented as well. So check out these young artists at New Rules, July 5th. Alkaline proving to the world that he supports the artists, him boss artists, and he doesn't follow all the foolishness that people like to say about him and proves them wrong all the damn time. Remember to book that bus if you need a ride to New Rules, July 5th. Blessings. Follow, subscribe.